Your legs, they do not just hurt anymore. They feel like stone, as if someone filled them with cement overnight. Every step is heavy. Every move feels like a silent scream. And deep inside, you fear that one wrong step, one slip, and you will fall. You tell yourself it is just age, but something inside whispers, this is not how life is meant to be after 60. Now listen to me closely, because what I am about to share is not from a bottle. It is not from a doctor's prescription pad. It is from the earth itself. Certain vegetables, yes, vegetables, have been found to reverse the pain, stiffness, and weakness that make you feel like your legs are betrayed. They are helping elders walk stronger, stand taller, and even feel like they are 18 again. This is not a fantasy. This is nature's truth. And today, I will reveal the exact foods that could change how you move, how you feel, and how you live. So do not go anywhere, because this message found you for a reason, and your comeback starts now. Let us begin with a vegetable that many seniors overlook, but it holds the power to restore strength in every step. 1. Sweet potatoes, the fuel for tired legs. Soft, orange, and naturally sweet, but do not be fooled. Sweet potatoes are loaded with magnesium and potassium, minerals that reduce inflammation in the joints and relax tense muscles. If your legs often cramp up at night or feel like they will buckle under your weight, this food is your friend. Its complex carbs provide steady energy to your leg muscles without spiking your sugar. It is almost like giving your legs a slow-burning fire to walk on. Have one for lunch, baked or steamed, with a sprinkle of olive oil. Your legs will thank you. 2. Spinach, the blood flow booster. When your legs feel weak or numb, it is often a sign of poor circulation. Spinach is one of the most powerful foods for increasing nitric oxide in your blood, a natural compound that opens your arteries, allowing more oxygen to flow to your legs. More oxygen means less pain, less swelling, and more strength. Add spinach to your breakfast omelette or blend it into a smoothie. This is not just a leafy green, it is a lifeline. 3. Beets, the root that restores youth. Beets do something miraculous for seniors. They awaken the blood vessels in your lower body. Studies show that drinking beet juice or eating cooked beets daily can improve walking distance and endurance in older adults. That means fewer rests, fewer stumbles, more confidence. If your legs feel like they run out of power after a short walk, beetroot may be your battery charger. 4. Broccoli, the bone protector. Behind weak legs is often weak bones. Broccoli contains calcium, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants that help your body rebuild bone density naturally. If you have been told your knees are bone on bone, do not give up. Give them nourishment. Lightly steamed broccoli, 2 to 3 times a week, can help rebuild what years have taken. 5. Carrots, the nerve recharger. Do your legs tingle? Do they feel numb at times? This could be your nerves crying out for help. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which support healthy nerve function. They also reduce oxidative stress that damages nerves. When you eat raw or cooked carrots regularly, you help restore the signals between your brain and your legs. That means steadier balance and stronger movement. Let us pause here for a moment, because I want to say something from the heart. If your legs feel like they are giving up on you, do not let that define the rest of your life. Your strength is not gone. It is simply waiting to be rebuilt. And food, real food, can do what painkillers never could. It can restore what was lost. 6. Kale, the anti-inflammatory king. Inflammation is the silent enemy behind leg pain. Kale is filled with omega-3s, vitamin C, and powerful plant compounds that turn off the fire in your joints. And unlike pills, kale heals from the inside. You can saute it with garlic, toss it into soups, or juice it with apples for a powerful morning drink. When you eat kale, you are not just reducing pain, you are reversing the cause. Yes, garlic. It is more than flavor, it is function. Garlic has been shown to thin the blood slightly and improve circulation, especially to the legs. That means warmer feet, lighter calves, and less of that heavy feeling when you walk. Crush 1 clove of garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate its healing power. Use it often and you will feel the difference. Now, before I reveal the final and perhaps most powerful vegetable for leg pain after 60, I want you to do something simple. In the comments below, write one word: strong. That is your declaration, your promise to yourself that you are not giving up on your body. You are reclaiming your strength. 8. Avocados, the muscle restorer. So technically a fruit, avocados belong on this list. They are rich in healthy fats, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for restoring tired, aching leg muscles. Seniors who add half an avocado daily to their meals often report fewer cramps, more energy, and even better balance. When your legs feel solid and fueled, you walk like someone half your age. That is the 18 again effect. So here is what I want you to remember, my dear elder. Pain is not the end of your story. Weakness is not your fate. Your legs still have more to give. Your body still responds to nourishment. And God, in His wisdom, has placed the exact healing your legs need right inside the foods of the earth. So start today, not with fear, but with faith. Add one of these vegetables to your plate, then 2, then all. And slowly, step by step, you will begin to walk stronger, stand taller, and live freer. You are not aging, you are awakening. You are not finished, you are rebuilding. And you, my dear elder, are not alone. This is Elder Wisdom, where strength has no age. Please like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose legs deserve healing too.